guys, today's video isn't going to be too long. I'm sure you've got the gist of it from the title already. I'm just going to be cleaning out this bay and trying to remove all the grease that I can, and maybe hopefully reveal any other problems that should be or might be lurking in here. So it's really just a work video today, really and truly. Not supposed to be too much talking. But yeah, this is where it's at so far. Got the AC condenser out, all the oil cooler lines, and everything from over here. And I'm gonna leave these for the power steering for right now, because I would have to get under here to pull those lines, and to be honest with you, I really don't feel like it today. I'm not feeling the vibe today at all, man. So I'm gonna just leave these here for now and work around them. T-bracket needs to come out, but for the most part, everything that's gonna come out is out. I am already noticing right here, there is this dent. I don't know what's going on with that. This is where the alternator was rubbing a few times, so I really don't know what happened here. I wish I could know. But yeah, that's that for right now, so just gonna get down to clean it. Alright, first off, this thing smells awful. But man, if it don't work, look at that. Works really well. Just make sure you're using this in a well ventilated area, because the fumes are really, really strong. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to scrub this a lot, but you can see where it's starting to cut away already. Not a whole lot left, so let me just that's that done. So according to the instructions on the can, I'm supposed to wait like 3 to 5 minutes for it to penetrate. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll just get to scrubbing. So yeah, after I've finished this first layer with scrubbing off this, I'm gonna use good old Purple Blaster, Purple Power. If finish off the rest of it. So yeah. Alright, well, I am pretty much done now, and I'm not gonna say it looks great, but it doesn't look too bad, but it doesn't look too great at all. Here we are. Well, as you can see, there is a whole lot of paint being stripped. You know, that's just brake fluid leaking, and it would have obviously, as you can see, got onto subframe here as well. I didn't bother with cleaning the control arms or the axle. That's way too much grease. But yeah, this is current situation now, and this side cleaned up pretty nicely. I wasn't able to really get every single thing. You know, there are still some spots that I just couldn't quite reach with the toothbrush or whatever. Really and truly, this is a job for a power wash. You know, like up in there and all that. But I'm seeing a few things, and let me tell you guys what I'm thinking about, right? Now, the first spot is right here, and obviously I'm not gonna leave this like this. I'm gonna have to seam weld everything, so all the seam sealer that's here and all that has to come out, and I'm gonna just get it welded after I straighten out right there, of course. So all of these spots where the paint is just stripping off. The car was white before, which I believe I've mentioned in a previous video, but the car was white. So am I gonna put it back in the same color? Wait, hold on. I missed a spot. I'll take it. So yeah, the car was obviously white before, and I'm thinking I might put it back in white. I don't know, but either way, the bay has to be resprayed. Whether it's the same color or I decide to change the color or whatever, but you know, I can't leave it like this. Am I gonna be reusing stuff like this? You know, I can probably remove this bracket. It's for the fuel filter. I actually still want to get back a stock fuel filter, or maybe I may use a different, like an inline one. I don't know. What's this again? Oh, this was for the you know what I mean, man. Yeah, words, but yeah. The heat, oh gosh, for the heater. Yeah. That was for the heater. So stuff like that I'm not gonna be using. I could take that bracket out again, you know, like clean up the bay a little bit more. As I said, I didn't bother to take these lines out because I was too lazy to go under there today, and you know. And then over here, this corner, the famous corner of grease, there's a whole lot of filler here, you know, like I'd love to know what's behind here, and the fact that it's cracking up here as well kind of says to me that something is happening over here with the front of the car, you know. So again, it I have to take all the seam sealer out and, you know, just get it welded as best as I can to try and correct issues like that and to just save the car, extend the life of it. But it's clean. It's clean. So yeah, as it stands right now, the plan really is to just get the base sorted out. I don't know how soon that's gonna be. Really have no clue how soon that's gonna be. Maybe a couple weeks from now or not. This is kind of messing with my personal deadline for the car because I wanted to have it ready for a race meet in April, and I don't think I'm gonna make that now because, you know, if I'm gonna weld the bay, I might as well respray the bay, which means I might as well respray the car and do body work. So that's gonna take a little bit of time, which means this engine that's sitting on the ground here beside me is gonna take some time before it gets back in here. So I'm just gonna be delayed a little bit further with all of that. So yeah, you know, and brings me to this mess right here. As you can see, there's a whole lot of wiring here that ought not to be here. So in the meantime, between time, I think that's the next thing that I'm gonna try and sort out. Just, you know, clean that up. There is a particular cluster that I want to put in here, which does not utilize the stock harness. I'm gonna have to make some modifications, as well as, you know, dealing with stuff like this chassis plug, which they spliced in somewhere along there, despite there being one right here. So I'm gonna have to work out which one. Maybe I'll run the extra wires into here, or maybe I'll remove this one completely and let that one inside the car become the new one and move it over to right here. But either way, it's gonna be a little while before everything is sorted out. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I just want to say thank you, you know, for watching and for your support on the last video. I really had a lot of fun making that one, and I could tell that, you know, quite a few of you guys enjoyed watching that one as well. Yeah, so again, thanks for all the love and for the support. So again, until next time, stay safe, guys, and peace.